And we're back. After the chocolates have been in the oven approximately 5 minutes, you're going to want to remove the tray using a pot holder or towel of some sort. And apply the toppings, like so, to the appropriate dessert. Just a light pressure downward. Okay. And then zoom in on the Reese's. Here's the other toppings for the peanut butter. The best thing to have in a kitchen is teamwork.
Wrap it up and say something.
After all of your toppings have been pressed on your dessert, you're going to want to take the tray back into the oven for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. And that's how you make snack-sized desserts. Thank you.